Best 4G 5G mobile proxy or VPN mobile proxy. Server is very good proxy, 5G very zone 80-watt proxy, multi-hop, single hop, 2 packages here. Daily, for 2 days you can get weekly, monthly, $2025 monthly pack multi-hop, which is a multi-hop. You can get many packet that comes in multiple packs. You get the only one proxy single hop on here, hourly, daily, 2 days, monthly available single hop. Very good pack. Single hop and multi hop. MobileHop is best mobile proxy 4G 5G network. High quality proxy. How to use their proxy setup on Dolphin Browser. I will set up. I show you. It's very good active browser. To use IP to need a browser for first of all download, please, from your computer. I will download you from my Windows. We will install it. Okay, now after installing, create an account with email and password. Give me, okay, email and password. Okay, then, and get sign in. Click here, your register, please, and email, password, telegram address. Okay, strong password must be used. Give telegram username, click agree, click create an account. If you will create account, please confirm the email verification must be needed. Email verification, and check email address. Okay, you can see confirm email, my email verified, done. Get login only. Okay, verify. Now we will sign in. We will put our email and password. Free plan, 10 profiles on user. Okay, continue on free. And first of all, proxy added options. Next, proxy. You will add proxy, get proxy, HTTP, SOCKS 4, SOCKS 5, SSH. Okay, save proxy and problem. And needed profile, create, click here, and any name, profile name, then profile type, Facebook, Google, TikTok, crypto, others. You can select one, crypto, and new profile, no proxy, save proxy. New proxy, click here, save proxy, and others. Proxy, new proxy, HTTP, SOCKS 5, MobileHop Proxy, HTTP or SOCKS 5 mode, connected, any proxy, and HTTP SOCKS 5. Just copy port, always copy and paste. Okay, and check proxy. Advanced settings. As you wish, you can change advanced settings, no problem. Time zone manually, add it by IP by seat, user agent, change availables, no problem. Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android. Create profile. Okay, my profile is okay, and start. and check word.net. My profile 80 watt internet, very good internet, 100% satisfied, and 90% time zone is changed manually, very easy process. My proxy, my browser is okay. Proxy link put in my description, please sign up. Thank you so much. Well.